Hi guys, this is Tony. I'm just trying to make up some ground here. Here comes the Northbound Union Pacific gravel train, and then behind them there's a Kansas City starting to make a mixed freight coming right behind them. So I'm gonna take out these two trains, and then I have to go back and try to make a little ground up. Got some missing trains over here, so I'm trying to make up some ground possibility here. And also plan so. Here comes the gravel train. I won't feel too bad if I get a KCS tonight. Kansas City San America is the next train that's behind us. Wow, that train was flying. There goes the Union Pacific gravel train going by. Kansas City San America is coming up next. Bye bye.